Absen is continually innovating. In terms of the product lineup itself, it's far-ranging, and as an example, over the last 4 years or so, they have released over 10 concurrent lines to address the varying needs of the marketplace. So our relationship can best be described as one of complementary strengths and capabilities that allow us to have powerful synergy. On the Absen side, they have terrific manufacturing prowess and great engineering abilities. And on the Exertis Almo side, it combines with our ability to engage customers in a meaningful way, bring those brands to light in the marketplace, and to deliver those products to our customers. Absen can deliver when other brands can't.
The relationship with Exertis Almo and Absen started about 3.5 years ago, and basically we provide distribution and inventory for them here in the U.S., and they have a whole team of technical and salespeople and support people here to help support our business and mutually provide value to our mutual customers. Exertis Almo is very interested in partnering with Absen because they offer such a wide breadth of direct view LED products, and that's all that they focus on. So whether it's rental and staging or the fixed installation market or digital out of home, Absen has a solution for it. In addition to that, they have US-based operations to provide pre- and post-sales support for our customers. Over the last few years, we've experienced significant growth, specifically in the category of direct view LED. When I think back, just in the last 2 years, the business in this category has basically doubled, grown by 200%. And if we look at Absen specifically, just over the last year, their business with us has grown by 57%, which has actually outpaced the growth in the category year over year, which is roughly at about 36% right now. The way I see Absen continuing to lead the path for innovation is continually to come out with new leading edge technology in the space. They have recently just come out with 2 new product lines for the fixed installation market and continuing a drive to bring the best available products to market and continue to have a wide array of products for just about any type of application.
We really value the Exertis Almo relationship at Absen. They've been a stocking distributor for over 4 years and have been a phenomenal partner and expanded our reach into the US Pro AV market tremendously. This relationship continues to get better and better. It seems like after every trade show, every event we do, go through and realize, hey, this is just a strong relationship. We believe that people should choose Absen for their project needs because not only are they going to get an amazing product, but they're going to get the support that they need throughout the entire project, whether it's our guided installation and commissioning, to our RMA or repair process, anything throughout the entire project, our team's going to be able to walk alongside them to support that project.